Okay, so let's look at 3x minus 4y equals 7. So if we want to get x alone, what that means is we've got to get rid of the 3, and we have to get rid of this whole term, the negative 4y. So when you solve literal equations, look at your letter first, and then you have to move everything that's by it. So we want to do the inverse operations, so we're going to add or subtract anything first. So to move the 4y, since it's being subtracted, we're going to add it to both sides. So I'm going to add 4y. So what that does is negative 4y and positive 4y, they cancel out. So we are left with 3x equals, and you can't really add these two, but you can put them side by side. So you can even put the 7 first. It won't matter with addition. So 7 plus 4y. Okay, so then next, when you divide, I'm going to get a different color. Okay, so the 3 and the x, those are being multiplied. And so the inverse operation is to divide. So if I divide by 3, and what a lot of students don't realize is you actually have to divide everything by 3 to balance it out. So I'm going to divide this by 3 and this term by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I'm left with x equals, that's not even, so we can leave it. And you can leave your answer like that, 4y divided by 3, or sometimes people just write the number, because it's 4/3, y next to it. And so that would be it. So your only goal is to get the letter alone that they want. So add and subtract first if they're two separate terms, okay? But let me know if you want me to work anything else out, okay?